Hi, and good morning to our second instalment on hair care whilst in isolation. This morning Gloria's going to cut my hair. Gloria, how many times have you cut hair before?
Quite a few times, actually.
Right.
Yeah.
And where did you do that?
When I was a student.
When you were a student,
Yeah.
right. And what year would that have been?
1980.
1980. So that's just 20. That's 30 years ago.
Yeah. But I was quite good at Mohicans.
So that's when Mohicans were popular.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay. So you've given me a brief, haven't you? And I've got to use this thing.
Yeah. Thanks for the coffee, by the way.
And I've got various different, are they called guards? I can't quite remember. Numbered.
Doesn't matter what they are. Black things are numbered on.
Okay. So, how do I turn it on?
Yeah. Okay. So you're going to start with the number 2.
How do I turn that on?
You have to actually plug it in.
Oh, no.
Try that. I'm going to start with the number 2 up the sides and the back.
Right, there's a bone here. You have to go above the bone. And
No, below it.
Oh, below it.
What are you doing? It's with the sides of... Oh,
You said that one.
Everything up to it, to there. Done. Up to it. You don't go above that with the 2, and you immediately went above it.
Oh, it's looking better already. It's actually quite liberating to do something like this rather than gardening, I think. You have to do a sweeping. If you turn your head to the side for a minute, I'll just show. You have to do like a sweeping movement out like that.
You're supposed to do the sides as well.
What, here?
That's what we said, isn't it, in the briefing?
Oh, that's a bit nervous and stuff. So that's it. What do you think of it?
I'm really pleased with it. Thanks very much. You've done a great job.
And is there anything else I can do for you? Anything I can get you for the weekend?